Sorry.
He can do that. I want to that dark one. Look how cute this is.
Do it again.
I want to catch one. This is so
Whoa, whoa.
It's around his neck and then it was great. It's like my pen.
Oh, I know.
Hey, buddy. Why are you not paying attention? Pay attention. Pay attention. Come on.
Just throw it at him.
All right.
He won't come back again.
Which one is that?
Watch the fighting. Watch the fighting. Ready?
When they start practicing, they're flying.
I want to throw him off a friend. Seagull.
Ready? No, toss it again. I'm going to try to get it.
Put the fires out.
Which berry is this?
How long do you want me to record this?
You can stop anytime. Like, that was the most amusing part of it.
Okay, one more.
That's how you hold one up. That's where they're coming from.
I can go back.